Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 great accessories, options, features you can order on your Tacoma that's going to add value, style, and durability. So starting with the Blackout package, $419, you get the black inlays for the Tacoma V6 on the tailgate, and then up here on the front door, Tacoma badging all blacked out. Really looks awesome on the Tacoma. Also, you'll notice those step side rails. So these are a 5-inch tubular step rail, $469, connected right to the frame, factory installed. So you get a factory warranty on those, $469. And those are really going to help you get up to the roof rack. $399 integrated into the roof of the vehicle. Really gives the Tacoma a different look, more of a adventure look. And this system is really neat, awesome, cool, because not only does it give you a place to put extras on top, but one of the things I really like about it is these rails come up and you can move them over, so you can run them across like a cross rail system. And then you can tie down your canoes, kayaks, boats, bikes, whatever you have. And then when you're not using it, bring it over like this, snap it into place, and you don't get all that wind noise that you'd normally get with a traditional roof rail system or luggage rack system. Here we go, feature number 4, factory mudguards. So for $129 from the factory, you get these high impact plastic mudguards. Really going to help the rocker panels of the vehicle to prevent dent stings, road debris, that type of a thing. And then feature number 5, it's going to jump inside. This is a really interesting feature. Underneath the armrest here, there's a vault. So you can get a safe put in your car, and it's a 4-pin safe, steel, nice and deep, and it's lined, and that's actually bolted to the floor of the Tacoma. It's a great place to hide your valuables. If you're doing concealed carry, you can throw your handgun in there, lock it up, and keep it nice and safe. That's a really interesting, great feature. So I just want to give you a quick overview of really 5 features that you might want to consider putting on your Toyota Tacoma. This one here is a TRD Off-Road double cab 4x4 V6, Barcelona red, gorgeous truck, available at Smart Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin. Give them a call. This is the only Tacoma they have in stock, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to stick around. Hey, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.